Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm
And
Christy.
what are we doing today?
It's time for us to do a fill-in haul.
All right, let's go do it.
If you ever wonder why we get in and out of the grocery store so fast, I'm always trying to catch up with him. Hey, I really like these. Right here, these right there, and I still have a rebate, so I'm gonna get 2 more. They'll last me for a little while. They're $2.68 each. All right, they have bananas again, but they don't have potatoes. All right, so I had to go to the restroom and I had the mic and everything, so Joel didn't record any of the stuff that he picked up while I was in the restroom. Baconettes. I really like that queso flavor. It's good, isn't it?
$2.48. Yeah, it's good.
$2.48.
$3.98.
$3.98 for Fritos. Yes, that's right. You heard that right. He got Fritos instead of Cheetos.
$2.58.
$2.58 for the hamburger buns, because we're gonna have hamburgers. I'm not gonna eat the bun, but they will.
$1.78.
$1.78. And there were 2 of those.
Yeah.
If you're wondering, any time that we have something like hamburgers or something, and we don't use the whole pack, I freeze the leftover buns.
$1.96.
$1.96. So you see, sometimes we don't even buy. We won't even have buns, but we'll say something in our meal plan that normally you'd eat on a bun. It's probably because I had them in the freezer. And then these 2 things right here, which I've already shown you. Cauliflower rice, that was $2.68 for each. And I have an Ibotta rebate for that, so yay. All right, I think that's it. We also grabbed some cough medicine because I have allergies this time of the year. So some nights when I try to go to sleep, that's when the coughing hits. Oh, and you know, we all about some generic, but we bought generic the last time and it was so disgusting I could not take it. So, I mean, I took it, but I didn't want to. $19.92 on the groceries. We do the medicine out of our household essentials. Now we are jumping over to Sam's Club because we have a few things to buy there. Come along with us. Okay, and we're buying 1 pack of these. There are 40 packs in there. It's like getting 5 that they sell like in Walmart and places. But like in Walmart, it's like $3.12 for that 1 pack. So if you did 5 of them, you'd spend $15-ish. Here, $6.98. So that's why we come here for this. We're also grabbing one of these. They're $18.98. Has 15 mega rolls of paper towels in it. If you watch us, you know we don't use like paper towel all the time. In fact, it's probably been over a year since you saw us buy any, because we use other things more often than not. But if we have anything like a greasy spill that we don't want to ruin our towels with, then we will use paper towels. So it usually takes us a little, like maybe probably about 15 months to go through one of these. So we let it run till we completely out. So we had to get some. We got a pair of these a couple of months ago, and they were $9 and something, but they were super flat. These don't feel flat, but we're gonna bring them back if they are, because that's ridiculous. But this kind, the cooling one, I had gotten like 6 months ago, and it was my favorite. So I really hope that these are the same pillows as they were 6 months ago, not 2 months ago when they were super flat. By the way, we tried these as well because we wanted to see. And something that's really weird was one pillow was super flat and then one was super thick. And Joel likes the thick one, so we're keeping that. But the flat one is terrible. It's just no cushion in it at all. So here we are. We are hoping for success this time. Woohoo! What you got there?
French bread.
French bread, and it's $3.98 for the 2-pack. They're really long. I don't know if you can see it. I couldn't even get the whole thing in the camera shot. Okay, there you go. $3.98.
All right, so there's our Sam's Club portion of the haul. Not very much there either. And so this is going to be our total from Sam's. And then
And the total from Walmart.
Walmart.
We don't normally show you any of the household essentials, but this was such a small haul that we went ahead and showed it. So I'll put the total of that right here. It comes out of a sinking fund, so it's not part of our grocery spending.
Right. And then this is what we have left. And then
Of the groceries.
Of the groceries. And then that's out of a budget of $600 for 3 adults each month.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so let's go ahead and go to our meal plan for the week.
Yep. We're going to start off with it being the Super Bowl, and we were invited to somebody's house and we're supposed to bring something, and I'm still not sure what that is, but it's not like a normal meal plan, so we're just going to skip over Sunday.
And then hamburgers.
And then it's Valentine's Day, and he told me not to cook anything. So,
We're going to fast that night.
we're on fast.
And
That's
then
right.
we're going to do a spatchcock chicken.
Like I always told our kids when they'd say, "What's for dinner?" and I'd say, we're not eating anything.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, spatchcock chicken, and then we're going to take the leftovers of that, and we're going to make a recipe that was requested, which is green enchiladas. And we're going to use the leftover chicken and that to make the green enchiladas.
And then we're going to do bacon fried rice.
Homemade pizza.
And then Spanish rice.
And that really finishes out our 2-week haul. We did have one meal that we pushed back, and that will be the broccoli stir fry. Chicken and broccoli stir fry.
All right.
He put it down so I couldn't see it anymore, so I was trying to remember. But anyway, if you saw a logo that said recipe alert, that means that we've already shown the recipe on the channel, and you can find it down in our recipe playlist. I'm trying to list them out if I remember to do that, and so be sure to check down there. If you did not see the logo that said recipe alert, then that means that we've never shared that recipe on the channel before. It might even be brand new to us, like the green enchiladas, and you are welcome to vote on that for the recipe of the week and expect it to be coming up in a video soon. Of course, because green enchiladas was requested, it's going to be shown.
Yep.
So the try something new Spanish rice is something that we've never done. And there may have been another one, but I can't remember at the moment. But if you didn't see the recipe alert, you can vote on it.
Yep. So go ahead and drop us those comments below and let us know what you'd like to vote on for recipe of the week. We'll get that video up coming hopefully real soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for updates when we upload new videos. Make sure you have the all notifications clicked so that you get notifications when new video is ready for you to view. With that said, that's going to do it today for the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
Don't forget the long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.